This episode is brought to you by FairDesk, a crypto derivatives trading platform founded by 6 former Binance execs and 3 former Morgan Stanley architects. FairDesk is a company focused on building a platform that enables traders to profit from both rising and falling markets. Sign up today and CB will credit you up to $600 in trading funds. For more information, visit fairdesk.com, link in the description below.
Do it live! I'll write it and we'll do it live!
Okay. Ready?
Fucking thing sucks! We'll do it live. Okay.
Oh, yeah, ladies and gentlemen, we're doing it live. Welcome to another episode of My Two Satoshis with yours truly, Crypto Blood. Hey, what's going on? Hope everyone's doing well today. Let's get it started. It's Friday. I'm doing it a little bit early today. I said, let's go ahead and get this thing started. We got 64ECG in the house. Thank you for tuning in. Let me give him a round of applause. Thank you, sir. I think I've got my audio situation fixed, but in order to do that, I had to switch some things around. So I'm just trying to get used to what's going on here. But in the meantime and in between time, I need you guys to go ahead and smack that thumbs up for me right now. Give that a thumbs up right now, ladies and gents. I know we're just getting started, but please hit that thumbs up for me. It helps me with the algorithm. Warrior 32 is in the house. Thank God it's Friday. Round of applause to that. Amen to that. Hallelujah. Now pass that offering plate around to me, brother. We got Chopper 44 in the house. What's going on, homie? Thank you for tuning in. Smack that thumbs up for me. But yeah, it's Friday. XRP Army is turning on themselves. Hey, I mean, this is what's going to happen, right? I'm being a little hyperbolic here, but there are some XRP Army members looking to sue Ripple. And this always happens. Every bear market, you see this. They turn on themselves. You know what I mean? You start losing money, then you want to go run to the Alphabet Boys. I mean, come on, man. Let's get it together. Let's have some self reflection and take some ownership for the mistakes that you made. You know? It just is what it is, man. This is a crazy game. So, and a risky game at that. Crypto is very, very volatile. One of the most riskiest asset classes out there. It's up there with penny stocks, might be even worse. So you got to understand that, ladies and gents. You have to understand that. You know, I'm going to give it to you real, and I'm going to give it to you raw here on I Hate Crypto. All right. Before we get started into today's episode, I do want you guys to check out Fair Desk. And I don't know why I could not get this thing to load properly, but I have a promotion. Let's see if I can get the other screen to come up and I can show you from there. I can do it from there. Let's do that. So look, check this out. I got a great promotion for you guys with Fair Desk. They've teamed up with Bloodalytics. Deposit rewards are on deck. If you deposit $2K, okay, you get $100 in trading bonuses, meaning you can use those funds against your losses up to 60% of each loss until that deposit reward has been depleted. And it goes towards, if you're winning, it goes towards the commission. So it's paying for your commission for each trade. So definitely a great deal. Check them out. I'm giving all the way up to $100,000 in deposit rewards if you deposit at that point $450K. That's light work for some of you. You know what I mean? So come holler at your boy Crypto Blood and we can get it cracking. Also, with that being said, though, you can definitely check out Bloodalytics, man. I'm doing a free month, $180 value. All you got to do is go to bloodalytics.com and check it out. Sign up there. Powered by Fair Desk. We're doing it, man. Listen, I'll show you some trades that we've been going through the last few days. We got the move going up the markets and then coming back down, and now we're positioned now to make a move higher if that's the direction it wants to go. So definitely something to check out. You know, $180 value might be something you're interested in. Again, bloodalytics.com for that. Follow me on Twitter as well. That's where I'm most active. You want to holler at me, come holler at me there. Not under my videos, right? Yeah, you know who I'm talking about out there. You guys smoke with me, come holler at me publicly on Twitter, and let's get them Twitter fingers going, ladies and gents. I don't play no games, man. Come on now. Follow me on Rumble as well. We're getting it up, man. 224 followers over there. I need more of those, so let's help CB get more followers on Rumble. Oh my God. Uncensored volume episode 6 coming up tomorrow with my main man Rice TVX. You got to come watch this one. It's going to be a great one. The last one was off the chain. I Hate Aliens Uncensored. This week it's going to be I Hate Tate, Andrew Tate Uncensored. So come holler at us tomorrow. I think we're going to do it at 1 p.m. But we'll have more details and probably put up the streams later today or tomorrow morning. So you definitely want to come holler at us. It's only on Rumble, though. You got to follow us on Rumble to see this. We'll do a pre-show live stream on YouTube to have you going over to Rumble for the actual show. So come definitely check us out. Let's take a look at the crypto slate market right now. Market cap is at $1.18 trillion. It is definitely staying above that $1 trillion market cap. That is a line in the sand, in my opinion. We got the Fear and Greed Index. I think it was, I just saw it. It was at 59. No, 55, I think I saw. Up at the top, scrolling at the top. I think it said 55. Let's wait and see here. Let's wait. And it is, damn, come on now, people. Now it's saying it's neutral. Okay, neutral at 55. All right, ladies and gentlemen, round of applause for that. Round of applause for neutral. So we're neutral right now in the Fear and Greed Index. But as I stated yesterday on Crypto Keeper's channel, Debate Crypto, I said it just depends on which direction, what's the context of that fear and greed index. What's the context behind that? Is it 55 coming from 45, or is it 55 coming from 65? And it has been coming from higher numbers. So we're coming down. We're not quite there on the fear factor to me to show me, hey, we're in or at the bottom of a bear market. So it's a lot of things that make me think that this is still a bear market, guys. But that's just one additional one you can look at. Which direction is this Fear and Greed Index going? So that should help you out a little bit. CNBC equities kind of unch right now. Dow Jones down barely. It's down 0.03%. S&P is up 0.25%, and we've got NASDAQ up 0.5%. Quiet day though. Twitter, Meta, they're going at it. I think they're going to be fighting. This is going to be epic. But they're going at it on the software side too. Meta just revealed their Threads platform, which is a Twitter rival. Maybe I'll talk about that on the off the chain or my 2 cents video, my non-crypto videos. But let's take a look. Earlier today, we did have some economic news come out. U.S. average hourly earnings month to month. And then we had the non-farm employment change and unemployment rate. Those two were the more important ones. And surprisingly, the non-farm employment change came in lower than expected. So a little weaker, but less weak. Well, actually, it was weaker than last month as well. But the target was 224,000, but we only got 209,000. So are we starting to see, ladies and gents, I think we're starting to see some slowdown. But I don't think it's enough slowdown to stop Powell and the Federal Reserve from bumping those interest rates up. So I think we still get another 2 interest rate hikes and possibly more. It just depends, but definitely 2 more in my opinion. I think we got those in the books. But other than that, it's pretty slow Friday for us. Dixie is soft. You know what I'm saying? Pause. 102.30. The Dixie is sitting there right now. Dollar index. And it's still, to me, it's almost making or forming a pennant here, right? Lower highs, but higher lows. And so at some point in the near future, we're going to have to see a breakout of this situation. So I think it's a breakout to the upside. I think the dollar is going to get stronger. Equities and cryptos will get a little bit weaker from that general move. Now, I told you guys that we'll take a look at the blood of legs, but first I got to show you my 2 Satoshis chart of the day, which is always the same one. It's Bitcoin. There's no need to chart anything else but Bitcoin, in my opinion. If you're just like a crypto investor, not trading, this is a barometer for the whole crypto market. So this is where you should be looking. What is Bitcoin doing? It will tell you what the rest of the markets are doing, because guess what? Bitcoin's dominance is 50%. Now that's been on the uprise. So look at Bitcoin to see where the rest of the markets are going to go. In a bear market, you're going to have Bitcoin fall first. Then you're going to get the altcoins get slaughtered. All right. And then conversely, on the upswing, you're going to have Bitcoin move first. And then you'll see the bigger percentage gains from all the altcoins. So you're going to make a lot of your money from the altcoins, but you got to get the timing right with this whole situation. So you got to understand that. But anyhow, we saw a move up to really get a lot of people washed out. And then they shorted the market. And now we're starting to try to ease back up. We're inching back up. So we're kind of in a channel here. And if you missed yesterday's Debate Crypto show, go back and check it out. I'll try to do a double spin on that on my channel. But it was a great episode with Magic Money, myself, and Crypto Keeper. And we talk extensively about what's going on in the markets technically. And Magic, he does it on a mechanical level. He's showing you buy, sell regions and all this shit. Listen, he confuses me, but he knows what he's talking about. So definitely check out that episode if you missed it. But we're in the range here, guys. I'm still medium well with my stake. All right. I'm not neutral. I'm not medium. I'm medium well, because at this point, we're still outside of this red box, which is the channel. I'm looking for us to head back towards that channel. All right. Magic, he's got a level right here at the top of my channel as well as support. And that's where I'm looking for us to head. Maybe bounce off that channel. If we dip into the channel, I'm starting to get a little bit medium rare with my stake, with my crypto stake. All right. Bouncing off this yellow or orange line is and should hold us. If it doesn't, then we had to go down to this yellow line at 26,500. But that's it. Lucifer, Elmo, he's still waiting on us. Our guys down in hell burning, waiting for us to hit $12,600 Bitcoin, which ultimately I think we just might do. You know, these waves are, bull markets and bear markets are waves. They don't happen all at once. You don't go down all at once. You don't go up all at once. So you got to understand that. But as far as Bloodalytics, last few days, great trades for us. If we even go back, really, we go back to Saturday. We got it cracking Saturday. Went long all the way into Monday here. Let me see. That is a 1.5% trade there. Not bad. And then we made a move and went short here with another almost 2% move there. Not bad. Then we turned around and went up for a 2.5% trade there. Not bad. Then we went from here all the way back down for a 3%. This was the big move. When we took that move down right here, let me zoom in for you guys so you can see this. When we took this move down, that was a nice little trade there for us. And now we're positioned back to a long trade to see what happens here. And very similar moves here with Ethereum. We were short and we're now going long, building that base. And if we go, if we go higher, we're ready for that. If we turn around, we're ready for that too. Binance coin has been getting hit hard. It's down the most this week. You take a look, down total like almost 7%. So it is what it is. Again, you can sign up for a free month at bloodalytics.com. Check it out if you're interested. Let's take a look at this first article though. XRP. They're starting to cannibalize themselves. They're eating themselves. XRP holders win right to sue Ripple. Legal experts unveil implications. Court ruling empowers XRP investors to sue Ripple. Oh, man. That's interesting. This is in a court in California. And the judge has granted XRP investors the right to proceed with their lawsuit against Ripple, alleging the sale of unregistered securities. Now, how do we have the whole XRP army gang saying we're going to win against the SEC when you got your own people, ladies and gents, out here suing, saying it is unregistered security? I'm just help me out. Help me understand. I'm thoroughly confused. The court's decision made on June 30th has allowed an investor class to proceed with their claims against the company, CEO Brad Garlinghouse, and subsidiary XRP2. The case, known as Zakinoff vs. Ripple Labs, revolves around allegations that Ripple conducted a scheme to raise hundreds of millions of dollars by selling XRP to retail investors, and they surely did. I'm sorry, they surely did. This is what I'm saying. Like, they literally sold XRP and bragged about using the proceeds from that for marketing, to acquire other companies, and so on and so forth. Am I missing something here, ladies and gents? XRP Army, come help me out, because I'm thoroughly confused right now as to how you're going to win against the SEC when they've been they got like a Fed hit rate. 99% of the cases they win. I think they've had like 500 cases, the SEC, and only lost like 1 or 2 or something crazy. So it's not looking that good for us here in this case. Ripple had challenged the certification, arguing the plaintiffs failed to adequately protect the interests of the class. Well, we'll see. Again, this only adds more points to the SEC side. I'm not rooting for the SEC. I think they're corrupt as hell. However, I'm a realist, and I think they are going to win because it is a corrupt judicial system as well. So we'll see. Just want to let you guys know, California has opened the floodgates for your XRP Army people to go ahead and sue Ripple. Cannibalize. Just go ahead and kill yourself. On to the next one. AI has the potential to send Bitcoin price to $750,000, ladies and gents. Woo! Round of applause for that. Round of applause for that, my friend. That is some good news, isn't it? And this is coming from a very reputable, I follow some of his threads, his blog. He puts down some alpha. He definitely puts down some alpha. Arthur Hayes, I don't know if he's former CEO of BitMEX. So he's saying that AI could push Bitcoin to $760,000. Okay, why? Well, let's take a look at what he's saying here with this statement. He's saying that Bitcoin is the logical currency choice for AI. Despite fiat regimes being destined to become ever more dysfunctional, he says, there is one burgeoning economy sector which will only go from strength to strength, and that's AI. While still nascent, he says, in 2023, the coming decades will see an explosion of AI-related implications, or implementations, I should say, which will make it ubiquitous and unavoidable. I agree. Totally. You guys know I've been really, for a very long time, preaching this chat GTP. 3 years now. And I've been preaching this crypto stuff for 10 years. So I'm with him. He seems to have a good head on his shoulders when it comes to forecasting. He's pretty accurate in my opinion. I like his assessment on Bitcoin's comparison or lockstep with the U.S. liquidity. He did a nice breakdown on that. So he's basically saying if U.S. liquidity, meaning in the equity markets, if it goes up, you see more money moving into the U.S. equity markets, you're going to see it's like literally almost an 80% correlation with Bitcoin's price. So as you see liquidity pull from equities and other risk on assets in the U.S., you're going to see Bitcoin price move down with it lockstep. And he showed all the data, proved it by numbers, and I'm with him. And this is why I think still, ladies and gents, we are going to have one more leg down in the crypto markets, because I don't see the equity market sustaining this rally. I really don't. Now, one could say, and I can understand, you're going to have manipulation in the crypto, I should say, equity markets and the stock markets come election time. So November, December area, I think you're going to start seeing the powers that be start manipulating this shit on up. All right, they're going to start doing all types of stuff to make it look like the economy is doing well, Bidenomics is working, all that crazy stuff. And so at that point, whenever that starts, if they're successful, which 9 times out of 10 they will be, you're going to see equities go up and you're going to see cryptos pulled up with it, in my opinion. Unless they do something crazy like ban Bitcoin here in the United States. I don't see them going that far yet. At some point they will, though. They surely will at some point. Just like China did. Maybe it's after they implement their CBDC. I don't know. But he goes on to say in only 2 months, ChatGPT reached 100 million monthly active users, making it the fastest adopted technology in human history. So just imagine how quickly everything is going to change as AIs are integrated into everyday life and continue to learn and improve. He goes on to say here that an AI is unlikely to allow itself to rely on anything that a human government operates. Therefore, only gold and Bitcoin are suitable. I don't know about gold. How can AI manipulate, hold, or transmit gold? Bitcoin, I'm with you. I can see that. And I'm the next article, I'm going to show you how his statements here are lining up exactly, because there's a company that is now allowing the possibility for AI to own Bitcoin. So it's all coming together. What he's saying is so true here. I don't know about the gold part, but other than that, I'm with him. Bitcoin is thus the logical currency, he says, for AI. It is purely digital, censorship resistant, provably scarce, and its intrinsic value is completely electricity cost dependent. There is nothing in existence today that comes close to challenging Bitcoin in these aspects. And I agree with him. So how he came to this $760 per coin thing, I have no clue. I don't know the calculus behind that. But I do agree with him that AI will use a Bitcoin or some other coin similar that's a cryptocurrency or asset. It only makes sense. It only makes sense, guys. So it's so crazy because literally when I saw this article, I end up seeing this article from Cointelegraph that talks about Lightning Labs releasing a tool that will let AI transact and hold Bitcoin using many tools like ChatGPT. So there you have it. They're already working on it. It's on the way. On July 6th, Lightning Labs announced this toolkit, which will help enable AI applications such as ChatGPT to interact with Bitcoin's network to send, receive, and hold cryptocurrencies. Ladies and gentlemen, we are ever so close to the singularity. Once they have their hands, AI that is, has their hands on money, digital money, bro, it's like over. They literally can create their own economy, get paid. Let me know in the chat room. I want to know what year do you see the first AI millionaire? The first AI millionaire, he's made $1 million all on its own. What the hell does that? I mean, it's just crazy, guys. I'm very concerned about the pace at which AI is developing. Check out that book called Scary Smart. It's a great book. I think you guys should definitely check it out. I'll try to drop a link for that in this video. But it goes on to say here that this is what Lightning Lab says, that we're extremely excited about the new wave of innovation brought about with the latest wave of large language models. Okay, announcing a new set of tools to build Lightning Network or Lightning and Bitcoin powered AI products for a global audience using L402, a standard for API authentication with Lightning payments. Wow. This is crazy, people. Absolutely crazy. Wu said 2023. Yo, you might be right, my friend. You might be right. 2035, first millionaire, Dana Dane says. I think that's pretty far out, bro. Now, I don't think it's going to take that long. I'm closer to what Wu said, maybe 2024. You know, it's just crazy. So they're saying with these tools they're releasing today, developers will be able to build more accessible AI infrastructure for both humans and agents alike. So it's here. It's here. I'm just letting you guys know it is here. AI can now own their own Bitcoin. I don't even know what that means. I'm thoroughly blown back by this. This opens the gate for a whole new paradigm shift in thinking. I told you guys at some point AI could potentially eliminate the need for money all together, like fiat money and crypto money. Now the Ethereums of the world, the layer 2s, the smart contract tokens, right? There are two different. You got to differentiate it. You got cryptocurrencies and you have crypto assets. I know we call cryptocurrencies. We kind of encompass everything. You can do that, but if you really want to be technical about it, there are two different classes of crypto assets, and that is the crypto currencies, and then you got like crypto assets, which can be an ether, right? That's the token name for Ethereum, ether. And I think that won't go anywhere because you actually need that to do things on the network. So any network, any blockchain that their token is needed to make a transaction or a move or some type of computation on the network, you're going to need that coin regardless. So there's going to be intrinsic value with those tokens, but I don't know in the future if money will be around. I'm just being honest with you. I had that extensive conversation with you guys in yesterday's restream. Go check it out if you missed it. But hey, this is crazy. So I don't know if you guys knew this. Just a little tidbit for today. Lightning Network. Do you know who has invested in Lightning Network? I know you probably know Jack Dorsey. Let me zoom in here. I know Jack Dorsey is definitely a Lightning Network investor, but did you know Charlie Lee was as well? Ha ha ha. Bet you didn't know that. Charlie Lee got his hands in some Lightning Network stock. That's crazy, right? But they've got 11 to 50 employees right now. Firm valuation is roughly 280 to 420, $420 million. How do they make money? That's what I want to know. Somebody help me out if you know the business model behind Lightning Network or Lightning Labs. How do they actually make money? I would love to know. But hey, that's pretty much it though for today, ladies and gents. Appreciate everyone tuning in. That's my 2 Satoshis. Kept it short and sweet for you. Make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and definitely come out tomorrow. We're going to be doing another uncensored episode 6. Come check us out. I Hate Tate, me and Rice TVX. I have more details on that later this evening, early tomorrow. So come holler at us for sure. That's it though, ladies and gents. Your boy Crypto Blood. I'm out of here. Holla. Yeah.
Fuck it. Do it live. I'll write it and we'll do it live.
Okay. Ready?
Fucking thing sucks. We'll do it live.
Okay.